In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Lloyds Bank account online. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use something like Google Chrome. Then, go to lloydsbank.com. Once there, scroll down until you find the Our Products section and click on Current Accounts. On this page, you'll see different account options such as the Classic account, Club Lloyds, Silver account, and Platinum account. Choose the one you would like to open, then click on the Ready to Apply button. Next, select whether you're a new customer, an existing customer, or if you want to open a joint account. If you're a new customer, click Apply Now. You'll then be taken to a new page where you'll need to tap Continue. At this point, a QR code will appear. You can either scan it with your phone to complete the process on mobile or continue on your computer. After that, answer the questions about whether you're an existing customer and confirm if you'd like this to be your main account. Then, click Continue and fill in your details such as first name, last name, gender, date of birth, phone number, and other required information. And that's it. That's how you can open a Lloyds Bank account online. Thank you for watching this video.